Welcome back to Health and Fit. Today we are focusing on standing abs exercises that target your core while keeping you on your number 1. Standing side crunch. First up is the standing side crunch. Start by placing your feet shoulder width apart and your hands behind your head. Lift your left knee as you bring your left elbow down toward it, engaging your alternate side increase and do between legs on each side. This exercise is equally impactful for both male and female. Now we are moving toward the second exercise, which is standing oblique twist. Next we have the standing oblique twist. This exercise focuses on your core rotation. With your feet careful with your core, extend your arms forward, holding a dumbbell if you want to increase difficulty. Twist from your waist, bringing your arms to one side and then to the other. Engage your abs throughout the movement. Perform 20 reps 10 on each side. This exercise can be performed at home, but no equipment is necessary for this. Now we are moving toward the third exercise, which is standing bicycle crunch. Finally, let's do the standing bicycle